Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 55 Chev with the top goes down. Yep, it's a convertible, and it's got a V8 under the hood. It's been rotisserie restored. The bottom looks as good as the top. It's got all the bumper guards, wing guards, crossbars on the bumpers. This thing has got all kinds of extras, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side's baby blue just like the top. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that V8. We're gonna get it out and drive it. We're gonna put the top up and down. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 55 Chev investment. So come on up, and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. All the chrome on it is phenomenal. Like I said, it's got a lot of extra chrome too. That crossbar, the bumper guards, the wing guards, all the chrome on the grille looks good. The emblems look good. The airplane looks great. And the paint is phenomenal. All the body lines are nice and straight. This is one amazing car. The stainless around the windshield's looking great. It's got hockey sticks on it. The hubcaps look awesome. The wide whites look good. All the trim looks great. That door handle looks new. All this stainless looks great. Just an amazing ride here. Look at that interior. It is beautiful. Look at the paintwork on the dash. Look at all the chrome on the dash. Look at the lenses on the gauges. It's even got a tissue box in it. Now there is just a tiny bit of wear on the driver's seat here. Other than that, there's not a mark on this car anywhere. It is amazing. Now if you want to check out a bunch of pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to have pictures with the top up, the top down, all the chrome back here, and of course we got wing guards. We got the Continental kit on it. We got extenders on the exhaust pipes. Now if you want to swing the camera around here, we'll show them how to put this down. There's a little lever back here you pull, and you pull this spare tire back like that so you can get in the trunk. We'll pop open the trunk for you now. Look inside there, brand spanking new. Look at that, a brand new spare tire, jack, the whole 9 yards. Everything in there painted nice. The bottom side of the deck lid painted up nice. Looking beautiful. It is gorgeous. When you look down the side of the car, look how straight it is. Again, all the stainless and chrome on this side looking brand spanking new. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this 55 Chev. We're bringing in between 45 and 50 new vehicles every month, and I'm in charge of picking out every one of those. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help with you picking out your dream car. All right, let's take this 55 convertible for a ride. This baby's been rotisserie restored. Look at that, driving with no hands, going down the road just as fine as my wine, man. The thing is sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We've got several banks we work with on financing. Only takes about a 15-20 minute phone call with the banker, and we can get this dream parked in your driveway. Now we're real close to the airport. If you'd like to come in and visit, we'd love to have you. We sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So please, if you've got the means and the time, come on in. We'd love to see you. If you want to send an inspector, no problem with that either. We'd love to see your inspector. We'll treat your inspector just like we'd treat you. Now, if you take a look down here on the dash, everything's looking great. Look at all those little Chevrolet emblems. We got speedos working. Looks like the temperature gauge is working. It's got even a Kleenex box in it, guys. Now, it does have the stock original AM radio. The car is beautiful and amazing. You're gonna have a blast when we park this dream in your drive. Get around the corner here and do some more cruising. It's a beautiful day to ride around in a convertible. I tell the story all the time that I didn't used to think convertibles were cool, and the only reason I didn't think they were cool is because I had never driven one before. I've gotten a lot of chance, obviously, in the last 10 or 12 years, drive all the convertibles in the world. You want to talk about getting in a parade or going to a car cruise or whatever in your convertible, heading out to the ice cream store, to the beach, wherever you want to go. Hop in this baby and take her for a ride. And of course, 55 is probably the hottest year. That was the model change year. That's when they went to the new model. The car is sweet. Very, very rare to have a convertible. Very, very rare to have one rotisserie restored. And now we're gonna do something that's very, very rare. We're gonna put it up in the air and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom side is. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Bel Air investment. So stick with us. All right, we're underneath this 55 now, and man, you don't see them this nice ever. Look at that, painted undercarriage on this car. Looks like the exhaust is fairly new, looks like the tank is new. You can see the back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. You can see the springs have been rebuilt. U-bolts look new. Now the brake system looks new. The lines are new. The guys will take those all apart, make sure they're in good working order, make sure everything's installed correctly. You can see the parking brake cables hooked up. Frame's nicely coated. Look at these floorboards. I tell you what, the paintwork on these floorboards looks as good as the top side of the car. Now, the frame on the car is amazing, man. When they built these frames, it looks like they were building a bridge because these are some I-beams, baby. This frame will hold anything up. Now, on all these Tri-5s, what you want to look at is all these braces. See how nice and clean all those are? Backside of the rocker's nice and clean. Again, the floorboards are beautiful. It is just gorgeous, guys. Now, we've got the cast iron date code correct Powerglide transmission. That's a 2-speed automatic. You see brand new bushings here. The dog bone crossbars here also look new. Ball joints look new. The flex lines going to the brakes up front looks new. Cross members nice and solid. All the power steering unit looks nice and clean. The slave cylinder actually looks like a rebuilt unit. Back side of the front bumper's nice and clean. That chrome on the front side's looking good. Everything up here is painted nice. I'll tell you what, you're definitely gonna wanna invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom of this beauty. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, 205 75 15s, good looking wide whites, and these are Coker Classics, guys. These are the, they are actually radial tires that look like bias ply tires. Very, very cool. You can see the hockey sticks are looking good. Rocker molding looks good, and look at that rocker. Look how nice and clean it is, and look at the paintwork on it. It is beautiful. Let's check the rear. Same thing back here. We got the stock hubcaps and the same brand new tires. I mean, they still got the nipples on them. They are brand spanking new. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge is looking good, and I just can't get over how nice the bottom side of this car looks. You know, I look at a lot of these Tri-5s, I never see them this nice. This car is absolutely beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 265. We do believe that this is the original motor because the date codes all line up. Now, it's got what appears to be a period correct Rochester 2-barrel carb. That's a 2-jet carburetor. It's got a period correct distributor in it. The battery's mounted right here in the correct location. We got our oil filter mounted here in this correct location. It's got manual brakes. It's got power steering. Just an amazing build on the car. You can see all the upper control arm hardware is brand new. This car is restored to the nines, guys. This thing is amazing. call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.